Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change date and time on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to change date and time, go to quick settings. Go ahead and click on all settings and you will navigate down to find system. So under system, click down to date and time, and this is the one I recommend. Always on the Chromecast, keep your language settings to automatic, your date and time settings rather, to automatic date and time. So this is going to use the network provided time, and it will save you from a lot of issues like limited connection on Wi-Fi and things like that. So always keep these settings to use network provided time. It should be automatic. You can also do it manually by taking this off. If you have to show a specific time for a specific reason, just turn this off. So come over here and turn this off, and then set the date manually, set the time manually, and you're good to go. You can also choose the time zone here manually, and you can choose whether you want to see your time in uh 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So I'm going to turn this back on. I want to have automatic date and time, and this will solve a lot of issues on Chromecast. So if that was insightful, subscribe to the channel, like the video for content like this.